This video is 100% working, and if you follow all the steps shown in this video, then you will be able to run Minecraft smoothly on your device without any errors. So please do not leave the video thinking that the process are too hard. Watch till the end. Hey, what's up YouTube family, it's me Milan and welcome to my channel Technological Facts. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install and play Minecraft in your Android in 2020 and beyond. And the trick that I'm gonna tell you to download Minecraft in your Android, no doubt it will work. And this video is not fake. All you have to follow my steps carefully, and then after, the game will definitely run smoothly on your device. That's why watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not even forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos at first. So without any wastage of time, let's start the video. So first of all, if you go to Play Store and search for Minecraft game there, then you will be able to see that the actual game is of $7.49, which is a huge amount. And people who want to play Minecraft, they do not want to invest such a huge amount just in a game. So they cannot play Minecraft. That's why after this video, you will be able to install and play Minecraft in your Android with free of cost. So let's move on to our trick that how you can install Minecraft in your Android. So to download Minecraft in your Android, first of all, you should go to Chrome browser, or you can use any of the browser of your Android. But by the time, I'm using Chrome browser. And here, you should search for Minecraft latest APK Subtonic. And after that, you should click on the first link. And the interface will be like this. And rather than scrolling down, you should click on the download button at the top. And again, you should click on the download the APK option. And if you click on that, then you will be able to see a pop-up here. And you should click on download option. Then your download will be started. And you can see it from here. Here you can see that my game is downloading. So I'll be there after the game is downloaded. After downloading the game, just install it. And here you can see my game is installed. And now let's see how is the game. Okay, it is loading. So here you can see my game is running perfectly, and if you want then you can sign in, but by the time I'm not going to sign in. And here you can see the game is alright, and you can see the graphics as well. You can see all the options here. You can see our character Steve, and if I click on play option, and let's create a world, new world. Okay, let's keep our name survival. Let's create the world. And let us see that how are the graphics in this game. Okay, it is being loaded. You can see our game is here. Wow, graphics are lit. And here you can see the game is running smoothly. Okay, so the graphics are too good and the game is running smoothly than I thought. Wow, here you can see. So yeah, this was for today, and if you like this video, do not even forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video among your friends, and share this video among those people who want to play Minecraft but they cannot buy this game, and you can play this game with free of cost by the simple process that I have told you. So take care and goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Let the darkness